Hello दोस्तों, let's have a quick wrap up. And first of all, I welcome to all of you to KJSSTEEL's PMSAGA series. This series is on human resources, how the organization grows. Now let's look at how PMG organization structure develops the project. Say corporate project head, managing director or chairman are the top level leaders who set the strategy and oversees the execution. Site project head leads the project at the specific site. PMG, Program Management Group, plans and manages project execution. Plant head, he ensures the smooth plant operation. POMG, Portfolio Management Group, oversees the entire project life cycle from the corporate. Project manager, say for example for blast furnace, manages the specific project like installing a blast furnace. That's how the POMG organization structure grows and executes and operate the projects. Responsibility of POMG ORG is to set up project management process. Project management is driving success. In today's video, we will deep dive into the world of project management and explore the various roles and responsibilities in a project's organization structure. We will go from program management group to the site project head and the key departmentals heads like quality, safety, procurement, and more. We will break it down for you. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on the project management, and consider construction best practices. Every successful project operates with a well-defined structure. Understanding of who is responsible for what ensures smooth coordination and project success. Let's start with the program management group and move down the hierarchy. PMG. PMG has a similar responsibility as of POMG. However, PMG is performing the same activities what of POMG from one site, and POMG is doing it from the corporate for all the site. In brief, we can say PMG oversees the project at the site and it's all interrelated projects for one site. Key function of a program management group. They standardize the project management process. They establish the control mechanisms. They provide the solution for technical and commercial challenges and facilitates smooth project initiation. Support provided by the PMG to the site. PMG is mainly having a team of scheduler, and this scheduler plan all activity through either Primavera or MS Project. They provide a template for all activities happening at the site, ensuring training and knowledge management to enhance project execution. As mentioned earlier, that PMG role in project management is almost same as of the portfolio management. For example, process improvement, by providing digital template at site, cross-project collaboration, encouraging knowledge sharing and best practices. He is also a single point of contact for that particular site and resolving all project-related concerns efficiently. Quality assurance and control ensures adherence to the standardized processes. They conduct internal reviews and external benchmarking, identifies improvements for better project outcomes. So, as a combination of PMG plus HR, they ensures competency development and training the team, and maintaining competency map for team in project roles, identifies training needs, and maintains a training calendar with the HR team. They build a knowledge hub of best practices and being a single point contact for all projects at one location. Critical skills in PMG are as cost estimation, risk assessment, planning and scheduling monitoring, and control project organization structure. For corporate and site, let's discuss about the Greenfield project review. In the current slide, we will explain how project teams are structured in a Greenfield project. You can see on the screen, and every project site should have the same structure. Suppose we take example of JSW. JSW may have a similar setup at different locations such as Dolvi, Billari, and JSW BPSL. Each area of the project like RMHS, Coke Oven, Blast Furnace, SMS Steel Melt Shop, Hot Strip Mill, and more has their own project manager who reports to the site project head. The program manager at the site works with all project manager and helps both the site project head and the portfolio manager for smooth execution. We can see on the screen the top leadership: corporate project head, managing director, chairman. They are overseeing the entire project and ensures smooth execution. Site project head is responsible for managing all project at a specific location. Center of excellence. They focuses on improving project execution and implementing best practices. Head corporate supply chain. They manages the procurement and logistic for the project. Key department heads are responsible to the site project head. Say IT lead, licensing lead, stores, utility, electrical and instrumentation head, HR head, quality and safety head, project execution and control head, project managers contract head, civil work head, procurement lead, project monitoring and control lead, corporate project procurement. So conclusion is that a well-structured project team helps in better execution, resource management, and achieving company goal efficiently by following this structured Greenfield project. With this kind of organogram, Greenfield project will run smoothly and successfully. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more project management insight. So let's go ahead on the team structure. At site location, understand core head and core lead teams. At each project site, we have two key teams: the core head team and the core lead team. The core head team reports directly to the project head and oversee overall project execution. Core lead team works under specific project manager, say blast furnace, project manager for blast furnace area. However, they also have a dotted reporting to the core head team to ensure alignment and coordination across the entire project. This structure ensures smooth communication, better project execution, and efficient resource management. Program manager shall report to the site project head and portfolio manager sitting at the corporate. That was the organogram for the Greenfield project. Now let's discuss organogram for Brownfield project. Understanding the project structure in a Brownfield expansion project. The reporting structure is designed for seamless coordination between corporate, site level, functional team. Let's take an example again of JSW, and let's say JSW Dolvi is considered as a location 1. So the key leadership at site level, we can say this way, that plant head at Dolvi, he is the overall in charge of plant operation. Site project head at Dolvi reports directly to the plant head and has a dotted reporting line to the corporate head. Program management group supports project execution and coordination. project specific management. Project manager, say for example blast furnace at Dolby, leads specific project area. Core project head, they have a dual reporting for brownfield project. The following core head manage project responsibility with direct reporting to the plant head and dotted reporting to the project head. Who are those? Say IT head, licensing head, stores head, HR head, quality and safety head, contract head, project monitoring and control head. They have a direct reporting to the plant head as well as a dotted line reporting to the project head. So now comes to the functional and department leads. This leads reports directly to the project manager. Say for example blast furnace. For blast furnace, this lead will have a direct reporting to the project manager of blast furnace. However, they shall have a dotted reporting to the core head team reporting to the either plant head or the project head. So what are those? Like utility lead, electrical and instrumentation, mechanical and equipment erection, civil works, procurement, commercial, operation and engineering, IT, licensing, stores, human resources, quality and safety, contract lead, etc. So with all this thing, what we conclude, you can see on the slide the complete organogram of a brownfield project. So we can say that this structured approach will ensure clear responsibility, streamlined communication, and efficient execution of brownfield project. It balances functional expertise with project-specific needs to drive the success. Let me know if you have any suggestion till now, and please mention in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more project management insight. Project site organogram is self-explanatory, so you can pause the video and check this in case of any query. Please mention in the comment. So that's how we are completing now the brownfield project organogram. We have discussed greenfield, we have discussed brownfield. So now let's come and discuss the project structure for small projects. How does the organogram looks for small projects? In some cases, when handling a small project, or if an organization doesn't have the core head team and core team lead, the reporting structure becomes more simpler. Here is how it works. Let's go key leadership. Say plant head / site head. They are the overall in charge of the site of the plant. Site project head is the one who is directly handling and heading all the projects at the site. Project manager, they are like a blast furnace, RMHS or coke oven area, responsible for the specific project areas. Functional and department leads. All function and department leads will directly report to the project manager instead of the core team head. This may include utility leads, electrical and instrumentation lead, mechanical / equipment erection lead, civil works lead, procurement, commercial, HR, quality and safety, stores, licensing, etc. And this lead reports to the project manager, and this project manager have a direct reporting to the project head and a dotted line reporting to the plant head. So for smaller project or organization without a core team structure, the reporting system is more straightforward, ensuring direct coordination between the project manager and functional lead. That's about organogram of a company where the small projects are going on. So let me know if you have any suggestion till now, and please mention in the comment section. Now we are going to discuss how corporate projects work at PMG ORG today. we will talk about how corporate projects are managed at the portfolio management group and how the organization structure changes as project grow. We will go step by step like corporate project task. Here are the main steps in handling the corporate projects on site, like say assessment and budgeting. Before starting a project, a full assessment is done and the budget is planned. Finalizing contracts. Agreements are made with vendors, suppliers, and stakeholders. Third is project planning. A detailed plan is created covering timelines, resources, and responsibilities. Execution and completion. The project is carried out, monitored, and completed when all goals are met. At first, PMSAGA may only handle assessment and budgeting because that's the first step. But over the time, it takes more tasks, say contract finalization, project planning. Depending upon the confidence we develop on them, then we can give the overall responsibility to PMSAGA, say execution and handover of the project. So these are the main activities for portfolio management group organization, and that's how they merge into the group. Hey everyone, let's explore how project management ensures successful execution. From setting standards to quality assurance, it's all about efficiency and risk reduction. Here are the three key areas of support what project management standards and processes. First, we have a project management standard and process. These are the guidelines that ensures every project follows a structured approach. This includes defined project phases, risk management structure, and like standardized reporting and documentation. Project management, quality assurance, and control quality assurance are the main steps. So, control plays a crucial role in the quality assurance of a project's success. This involves regular quality checks and audits. Basically, control plays a major role and ensuring project deliverables meet required standards, continuous improvement based on feedback and performance analysis. Project management depends on the people managing it. Organization should invest in training and certification for project managers, strengthening leadership and decision-making skills, building expert teams for the complex project. Those have very thorough knowledge about the project as well as their integral parts. And that's how project management drives success by upholding standards, developing skilled teams, and ensuring quality. Organization can achieve efficient and excellence. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more project management insight. And before going ahead, let me brief you what will we cover in the next session. In the next session, we are going to cover about to the nth level in the project management. So the responsibilities and organogram of each and every area will be discussed in detail. Say electrical instrumentation, what kind of checklist, what kind of templates they should follow, what are the signal function tests, how are they important for the commissioning of the project. So all these things we are going to discuss in the next video. Thanks a lot. Thank you for your time and hope you like the video. And if you like it, please share it. Thank you. Thanks for everyone.